Since our snare got knocked down, we're going to set it back up here. As you can see, I got a piece of wire right here, and that's what it sits on. Got a little stopper right here, plastic stopper. We'll just slide it onto that wire. Then about the size of your hand, a little bit bigger for a coyote. Now, we'll neck catch a coyote, but body catch a fox. Let's see, make sure you guys can see that there. And then you can see we blocked it off right here. They wouldn't go under. And then we had it blocked off right here too, but the coon knocked that down, so we'll fix that back up. But I tell you, snare them on a fence line. Just keep in mind, this is it's a good high tensile fence, but it's not used for anything. It doesn't keep anything in. It was here when the owner bought the property. If you do a lot of snaring on fence lines, it will destroy the fences a lot of times, to get it tangled up and whatnot. So just keep that in mind. Make sure that you got the landowner's permission to snare on the fences, and that they understand the repercussions of it before you do it.